Peace be upon you. The method for switching your Instagram account to a private account is very simple. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Before proceeding with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's get to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Instagram account. You will find the profile icon at the bottom. Click on it. Then, click on the three small lines. After that, my friend, you will find this interface. Scroll down, and you will find Account Privacy. Click on it. When you activate a private account, you will see this question. Do you want to switch to a private account? Click on Yes. Here, you will find that you cannot set a creator account to a private account, meaning you cannot switch your account to private. To switch your account to private, you must first switch your account to a personal account. This is the first thing. Now, my friend, to switch your account to a personal account, all you have to do is follow the steps explained. Now, go back and click on the Creator Tools and Controls. Then, here at the bottom, you will find Switch Account Type. Click on it, and here you will find Switch to Personal Account. After that, my friend, switch to a personal account. After confirming and clicking there, wait a little while until your account is switched to a personal account. As you can see, the switch to a personal account has been successful. Now, let's go back, my friend, and go to Account Privacy. Here you will find a private account option. Activate this feature from here. As you can see, click on Switch to Private Account. Now, wait a little while, and as you can see, our account has been successfully activated as a private account. That was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. For any questions, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments. We'll meet again in a future video, God willing.